What is up, fam? Well, I just got done doing turnover and I have a late check-in today, so I thought it would be a perfect opportunity to give you a tour of the Jungelow themed apartment. Let's go. As you come up the drive, you see that you have your own little deck area, front door. We do a keypad lock, which is awesome. We can send a new code to every guest, and we can set it so that it works from check-in to check-out and doesn't work any other time. So it's really perfect. We absolutely love this feature and it's worked out fantastically. Enter, you will see to the right the statement door, the statement wall. It's a jungle theme, it's a jungle scene. Welcome to the jungle, baby. Guests love this wall, of course, because it's sick for photographs. Great memorabilia for your trip. When you walk right in the door, there is also this welcome sign, and I like to actually write the guests' names right under it, just as a nice little touch. And then that's a great place to hang your keys, little pineapple mirror. And we have a bookcase full of books that can be borrowed. We also have some local business cards, so massage. And then of course we have adorable V's real estate cards, our channel stickers, and Urban Flow. Even if this is your first video of ours that you are watching, it shouldn't take long for you to figure out that we are maximalists. All of the color, all of the patterns. And we love a theme. So the Jungle theme is an ode to the jewel tone color scheme. And obviously all of the tropical prints, the animal prints. Almost everything you see in the house is a secondhand find, be it the local thrift shops or Facebook Marketplace is a big favorite of mine. We try to be as sustainable as possible, and also that's where you find like the coolest, most unique things. A couple of secondhand examples that I have are these incredible giraffes that I got for $40. This couch, these rugs, these chairs, most things. The lights are new. The lights are new, and they're amazing, and they're worth it to be new. There are unavoidably some items that I bought online, and anything that I did buy online that I have the links to, I will put in the description so that you can also get those items, because we have some really sick finds that took me a while to find out there, but that I absolutely love, and that you might even see like multiple times throughout our channel, and not just this rental, but other properties that we have, even our own home, our own tiny home. So yeah, those things I will link so that you can get them too. This is the kitchen. We have a whole video of us actually resurfacing these butcher block counters because they're amazing, but they take some maintenance. So I don't know, maybe not the best choice for rental, but this was our main house. And these are the counters that we had, and they do look fantastic and people love them. So we just resurfaced them to give them a new look. Love hanging the pots and pans here with the plants. That's a favorite feature of mine. Something that I love about this couch, not only the color, not only the style, not only the size, everything about it is amazing, but also this right here pulls out into a full-size futon, and this side also pulls out into like a child-sized futon, but it does make it possible for us to advertise this rental space for 6. But then you're wondering, where do 6 people eat? There's only a table for 4. Okay, well this table is on wheels and it comes out, and then you can put it next to the couch and have one side be couch bench seating and then put the chairs on the other 2 sides. And so it works out. It's fine, it works. This table is actually one of my favorite online finds. It was relatively inexpensive. It wasn't too hard to put together, and it actually both sides of this fold down, so you can have either just a table for two, or you can just have this middle piece and put it against the wall for more space, and then you just have a little entry table. So it really makes the space really versatile when you're working with a smaller space and trying to maximize it to be able to accommodate as many people as possible. White is always a risk in any property, whether it's your own and you're living in it, or you're renting out to other people, or sharing with friends and family. White is a risk. So I do have placemats down and coasters, and I haven't had an issue. Also, magic erasers are magic. Use the magic eraser. Coming out of the kitchen, through the living area, dining area, amazing mural wall, huge TV, that's a must. Then we'll head to the hallway where we have the bathroom, bedroom 1, and bedroom 2. There's nothing too fun or funky to say about the bathroom. It's very cute. We do have this sign. You would think it's common sense, but people will surprise you. So we do have that. There's a little bit of a mermaid theme. It's cute. I have this great hallway closet for the ironing board, and then a ton of board games, which guests love. Let's check out the Morocco bedroom. So in this room, we have a queen bed. We have a window, we have an amazing tapestry wall. I have a desk/vanity area where if you're working from home, you can work here. You can also do your makeup here. A full-length mirror is vital. You have to have a full-length mirror, and you have to have a TV in every bedroom in a rental. I just think that you do. We don't have cable, but of course we have Wi-Fi. And so all of the TVs are smart TVs, so anyone can access their own Netflix, Amazon, Hulu. I know some hosts provide logins for those things. We don't do that. You can use your own. And of course there's YouTube. If you don't have any of that stuff, you can still utilize the TVs. YouTube is the best. We provide 4 pillows on each bed. I just think that that's a nice luxury to have. And then another incredible feature that we have in each room is these lamps that have USB plugs in them, which is super convenient for at nighttime. You're like, where do I plug in my phone? Right there, so easy. This bedroom, we actually put a accordion door on the closet just to save space so that we could have a bedside table there. That way we are able to get a queen size bed in here instead of a full. I think that fulls really only work for children. If you are an adult, and especially if you are 2 adults sleeping in bed, you need at least a queen size. Personal opinion, but I'm pretty sure the majority of the world shares that opinion. We provide for each guest one beach/swim spa towel, since we do have a swim spa the guests are able to use, and then 1 bath towel, 1 hand towel, and 1 washcloth. Next, let's check out the Bali bedroom. All right, this is our big room. This is the king size. Gorgeous. Oh, I love how this room turned out. I love how the whole place turned out. But going for a neutral, serene vibe is not my typical go-to. I'm probably the opposite of most people. It's much easier for me to do bright colors and crazy patterns than something simple. So this was a challenge for me, and I just love, love, love how it turned out. I have my basket wall from Baskets from Goodwill. Again, you have 4 pillows. You have 2 lamps on either side. Again, the USB plugs. I will link these lamps. They're so cool. And then we also have a noise machine and earplugs in each room that we provide for guests. If you have been following along our YouTube videos since we started our channel a year ago, you can see all the transformations that have taken place at this property, which was our main home and we lived here. And then we just rented out the rooms and now the whole place as we have our tiny home. It's just really fun, so many projects, so many creations. And I did just want to point out that originally this room that we are standing in, the Bali room, it was my home gym during the pandemic. So I just want to show you how I repurposed a couple of things that were already in this room so they worked as a bedroom and not a home gym, or vice versa. Every good home gym needs a wall of mirrors, right? So this was mine. And along that journey, I somewhere lost a square. It fell off and shattered at some point. And so I had to figure out how to make this like a fun wall mirror, because also every bedroom, like I said, needs a full-length mirror. So what I ended up doing was just getting this really cool wall decal and putting it there, and I think it looks great. And it had some matching ones that came up that I kind of sprinkled along the mirror in other places, and then I just bordered it with this rope, and boho baby. I love it. The other piece that has been repurposed in here is this peg wall that used to be where I hung my workout equipment, like my bands and I don't know, whatever else I had. And so I repurposed it and made it just kind of like a fun little shelf wall. And I got these shelves and decor mostly at like Dollar Tree or Five Below and some at Goodwill. And I just made it look really cute. And again, I love it. This is the closet in the Bali room, and like I think it's important just to offer your guests some like storage options and definitely have some hangers available. I also opted for storage boxes at the end of the beds just because, well, I think they look better and they double as like a bench seat. And there wasn't really room for dressers in here. And that's okay. I think there's plenty of places for guests to organize their things, and that might not be like a conventional dresser, but it works. I hope you have thoroughly enjoyed this very exciting tour of our Jewel Jungle themed apartment in St. Pete, Florida. We do short-term rentals. We try to really stick to mid-term rentals these days. So if you're looking to live in the area for a few months, fantastic, but also we do shorter stays as well. Feel free to comment, and we'll also link our listing in the description. Check out the other projects that we're doing. We have the tiny home. We're also working on an Art Deco pastel apartment. And yeah, hosting has been an amazing journey. We have been hosting for 7 years now and traveling the world, staying in other people's homes. We love this type of travel. It's the best way to get to know new places, meet new people, experience things through the eyes of others. And it has just been an amazing experience. We will also be embarking on another big backpacking trip this summer through Europe. So be sure to subscribe to follow along all of our adventures. We love, love, love sharing this beautiful life with you.